Hi, Bibo. It's been a year that we were able to see each other face to face. Salamat sa panahon and the friendship that you have established with us. Thank you also for continuing to be part of Love and Praise, even though you're afar. Thank you for your life. The Lord knows what is the desire of your heart. May God grant it. May you enjoy this special day of yours. Thank you for everything. Happy birthday and God bless you.
Happy birthday, Uncle Bibo!
We wish you all the good things in life and new adventures and many, many blessings. We love you and we'll see you soon!
Happy birthday, Uncle Bibo! Ingat ka dyan, Permi, Uncle. We love you and we miss you. And God bless you more, Uncle. See you soon.
Happy birthday to my wonderful buddy. Of course, salamat kayo. And I pray and I wish that life brings you a beautiful surprise for every candle in your birthday cake. Have an outstanding birthday, Bibo. Of course, salamat kayo sa mga pasabog, jamming, of course, kantahan, video kay, and sa tanan nga mga surprises. Nagstay ko diri for more than 1 month, and thank you so much for the time, of course, mga pa-shopping. Thank you so much for the gift, the birthday gift that you also gave to me. Hopefully magkita-kita katapuhon and maminyo na ka. God bless. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Bibo! More birthdays to come. Amping, God bless.
God bless. Thank you for this day. Your birthday.
Happy birthday.